Emmy Jazzy, hi.
Hi.
How are you? What are you waiting for?
The hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa? Okay, all done. Drink it, drink it. Drink it.
Oh, I like it.
Hey.
Spin. Cocoa.
Guess what we're about to watch? The the correct movie to watch on a snow day is
Frozen.
Frozen. Ah, what are we watching, Jazzy?
Frozen.
Ooh. Hi. Go play. Come on here. Hi. Oh my gosh. It's really snowing and Woo was having so much fun playing in the snow here on our deck. Oh, it's been a really calm day for us, so ooh, lots of baking and cooking. Look at him. He's still having so much fun. Oh, woo, woo. What you doing? Are you trying to fight my foot? Are you having fun? There he goes. Come on, buddy. It's cold. We're going outside. Woo-wee. Oh my goodness! Whoa! Oh shoot! That's my baby girls.
Here, put your hood on.
Okay, I'm about to, but I need you to. Hi! It's a crazy snow.
Come here, baby.
Crazy.
Go to Dada. Go to Dada.
Hey.
Look
High five.
at how
You wanna
deep
go in there?
the snow is.
You want to go in there?
Woo Woo's doghouse. Jazzy, can you lay down and make a snowman again?
I made a snowman.
Make a snowman. Good job. Look at Daddy.
Oh, I don't know even know how.
Hi, Mimi. How are you?
Oh,
Oh!
oh sorry.
How dare you?
Hey.
Hey.
Let us go.
Oh.
Okay, Jazzy, not in the face. How could you?
Sorry.
She's trying to clean herself off.
Oh.
The best day ever. The best day ever. Can we build a tow?
Not today. This is really bad weather.
Yeah.
High
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it cold?
Yes.
Very cold, huh?
Oh. Can't help me when I
are playing. Oh, look at the bird. Look at the bird next to Mommy's car. We're playing. We're having our little snow day session. Daddy's over there. He tries to shovel. He did a good job. And then kind of, there's Woo Woo. There's a Woo Woo. Come here, Woo Woo. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Woo Woo loving on Daddy. See, he loves you so much, honey.
Snowballs? How many? Hey, if you can make it up the hill and all the way over there, you can go play with Tatum.
Hey, Woo Woo, you okay, buddy? I see that.